Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation Technology Co. Ltd. is a prominent manufacturer of helicopters based in Jiangsu Province, China. Established with the vision of advancing aviation technology, the company specializes in the research, development, and production of high-quality helicopters for various applications, including passenger transport, cargo transportation, and emergency services. Our manufacturing facility is equipped with cutting-edge technology and adheres to strict quality control standards, ensuring that each helicopter meets international safety and performance criteria. With a team of highly skilled engineers and technicians, we are committed to innovation and excellence in every aspect of our operations. At Changzhou Zhonglian, we understand the importance of customer satisfaction and strive to build long-term relationships with our clients. Our dedicated customer support team provides comprehensive assistance, from initial inquiries to after-sales service, ensuring that our clients receive the best support throughout their experience with us. We are proud to contribute to the growing demand for aviation solutions in both domestic and international markets. By focusing on sustainable practices and continuous improvement, Changzhou Zhonglian is poised to lead the way in the aviation industry, delivering advanced helicopter solutions that meet the evolving needs of our customers. As we look to the future, we remain committed to setting new standards in helicopter manufacturing and expanding our global reach.